Hello, my name is Oomigosh and I'm an extreme survival expert in the sunny woods of there isn't any woods, but we will be going in the woods because today I'm going to be teaching you the philosophies of nature. Why are you consistently filming? So guys, we're here in the woods. So guys, here is some onions, garlic. Right, actually I don't think this is it actually. It's not, is it? Can you hear the pigeons? Disgusting. Continuing onwards. All over there to the sea. These trees across here are much safer than these trees over here. I don't want to disturb this massive fish. Hi. I'm now on this bit, and as you can see, there is moss on here, and little bits of this moss feeds little tiny creatures, not in the water, but in the air, such as bugs. Have you seen these trees' leaves?